Welcome to the Open College's Learning Support Computer Skills webinar. My name is Tim and I'll be taking you through how to copy, cut and paste. There are two methods you can use to copy, cut and paste, one using only the mouse and the other using keyboard shortcuts as well. I'm going to show you how to use both just because sometimes one method won't work and you'll need to use the other. Keep in mind this tutorial assumes using Windows PC and methods will vary if using another type of computer, say a Mac. Let's start by looking at how you copy something. So if you want to use just your mouse, begin by highlighting what it is you want to copy. For the purpose of demonstration, we're going to be copying the phrase learning support is amazing. So what I do is I click next to what I want to copy with the left mouse button and drag the cursor over it holding the button down. I now click on the highlighted area with the right mouse button. I get this menu that comes up and I just go down and select copy. Then when I want to paste something, I just click where I want to paste with the right mouse button and go down and select paste. If you get multiple options like this, I would just select keep text only, unless you know that you want one of the other options. Keep in mind also that you can paste the same thing multiple times without needing to recopy it. So copying and pasting can be a great way to just duplicate a lot of something. Let's say however you want to use keyboard shortcuts. So you're still going to need to highlight using the mouse by holding down the left mouse button and dragging the cursor over whatever it is you want to copy. I'm just going to copy the last example of learning support is amazing up here. And this time I hold down the Control key or CTRL key on my keyboard and push the C key, C as in copy. I go down to where it is I want to paste and I click there just like I was going to type there. Instead of typing, however, I hold down the Control key and push the V key, V as in paste. I think it's just V because it's next to the C key, but you should have now pasted. So now let's look at how you cut and paste. Cutting works exactly like copying, except what you cut disappears from its initial location. Cutting and pasting is a great way to move something from one place to another. So if using just your mouse, you're going to need to highlight like you did for copying. So just hold down the left mouse button and drag the cursor over whatever it is you want to cut. And then you right click on the highlighted area, this time selecting the cut option. And you'll notice that learning support is amazing disappeared from the top here. So you then go down to where it is you want to paste. I'm going to paste just below my dot points here. And right click with the right mouse button. You go down and select your paste option. Again, keep text only is probably the best thing to do unless you really know that you want one of the other things. And just click on it with the left mouse button and you'll have now pasted. But let's say you want to use keyboard shortcuts. So again, you begin by highlighting just like you did previously using the mouse. And then you hold down the Control key and this time click the X key. And I just think of the X as kind of like little scissors. Just because, you know, it's cutting. Snip, snip. Now you go where you want to paste and you click there as though you were going to type there. And then you hold down the Control key and push the V key and paste. So pasting the exact same way as you did when you copied using keyboard shortcuts above. So now you should know how to copy, cut and paste. Be sure to check out OpenSpace for more study tips and have fun with your course.